Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways in which we can block a number. The first one is using directly our contact list and saved contacts, and the second is using the let's say settings. So obviously I will show you both options. So let's tap on the dialer and go to your contacts. We will begin with blocking a contact which is currently saved. So let's find the contact we would like to block and tap on it, and tap on this info icon. Now we have to tap on this three dots icon and tap on block contact. Your device will ask you if you really want to block this contact, so simply tap on block, and as you can see we've got this strange crossed out circle, so it means that from now on this number is blocked. Obviously you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on more and unblock contact, but let me leave it like this because I would like to check if it will appear on the blacklist. So let's get back and let me show you another option to block a number. Just tap on this three dots icon right here in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. As you can see, on the very first position we've got blocked numbers, so tap on it, and this is our blacklist. This is the number we just blocked from our contacts. Here at the very top we've got the option to block unknown or private numbers. You can activate that just by tapping on the switcher and turn it off the same way. And here we can add a phone number to a blacklist. So this is the second way to block a number. And here we this option is divided into three different. So here we can add it manually, we can add it from the recents and from the contacts. So this option is much easier because here you can choose plenty of contacts, so you don't have to manually block one by one, but here you can, as you can see, tap on it, and thanks to this you can just mark the numbers you would like to add to the blacklist. So let's tap on done, and as you can see they immediately appear on the blacklist. What's more, you can tap here and manually type the number you want to block, and tap on this plus icon at the right, and as you can see it is also immediately applied to the blacklist. So it means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from all of those numbers. And obviously if you want to, you can unblock them. Just tap on this minus icon right next to the number you want to unblock. So I will unblock all of them, but maybe after I will end the video. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.